In this episode, we are going to learn about 3D or solid shapes. There are so many solid shapes that we see every day. Can you think of any? A cube has 6 faces or flat surfaces. The faces are all squares. Cubes also have 12 edges where the faces meet. There are 8 vertices on a cube as well. There are many objects that are shaped like a cube. Dice, ice cubes, Rubik's cubes, and presents are all shaped like a cube. A rectangular prism has 6 faces. 4 faces are shaped like rectangles. 2 faces are shaped like squares. Rectangular prisms also have 12 edges and 8 vertices. There are many objects that are shaped like a rectangular prism. A tissue box, cereal, milk cartons, and juice boxes are all shaped like a rectangular prism. A pyramid has 5 faces. 4 are shaped like a triangle. The bottom can be shaped like a square. Pyramids also have 8 edges and 5 vertices. There are many objects that are shaped like a pyramid. The pyramids in Egypt and antennas are shaped like pyramids. A cylinder has 2 faces that are shaped like circles. It doesn't have edges or vertices. There are many objects that are shaped like a cylinder. Magic hats, spools, fire extinguishers, and soda cans are all shaped like cylinders. A cone has 1 face at the bottom and it has 1 point at the top and a curved surface. There are many objects that are shaped like a cone. An ice cream cone, a traffic cone, a funnel, and a party hat are all shaped like a cone. A sphere has no faces, edges, or vertices. It is curved and round and can roll. There are many objects that are shaped like a sphere. A globe, a beach ball, a basketball, and a soccer ball are all shaped like a sphere. Now that we have learned all about solid shapes, let's see if you can count the shapes. How many cubes do you see? That's right, there are 4 cubes. How many pyramids and cones do you see? You're right, there are 2 pyramids and 3 cylinders. How many spheres and cones do you see? You're right. There are 3 spheres and 2 cones. I hope that you like this lesson on solid shapes. Check out my other lessons to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.